here it is, finished. I'm not gonna say too much about it. I'm just gonna kind of walk around it best I can out here. This natural light is just the best way to capture something like this. And I'll get closer. Let's just go a little bit far away, get kind of some overall, and then we'll look at it in detail as best we can. I'm on a short time frame with this one because it's leaving tomorrow. That cabinet looks so nice. Let's look at it a little bit closer, cabinet wise, and then we'll look at it closer on the Playfield. All that trim turned out good. You know, I had to rework what I had there. Came up with a decent lock bar. Coin door decal is spot on, honestly. Painting that grill, that was a good idea. It just, you know, it doesn't look like some big industrial whatever. All right, I think we're good on the outside. That stainless is a pain. If I just touch it, it leaves a fingerprint, but you get the idea. All right, let's check out the Playfield. So I was waiting on some rubbers. I had a real hard time figuring out what I wanted to do, and I felt like this was the way to go, because it's just the way the division of the Playfield works. That apron, man. I could go on and on about the apron, but we'll focus on the Playfield from here. I feel like we're hovering above it. It's basically just a division. Red flipper rubber on the red portion of the Playfield, orange on the orange, blue on the blue. You get the idea. Just kind of walk around it the way I would normally take pictures of one. All right, give me just a second, I'll get it opened up. And we'll take a good look at it inside. All right, got it opened up. Definitely don't want to have the camera running when I'm doing that. That's a tough one to open up. Let's open up the coin door first and take a good look at the back side of that. Good close look at that. That looks nice, very nice. We'll just kind of peer around the inside here. put that loom, that sleeving around all the wires that I could. Helps protect them. Got that label on there. All right, let me put this down. We'll take a look inside the head. All right, got the Playfield back down. This is always a good vantage point to take a good look at things like the apron and stuff. When it's kind of elevated, you can get a better sense of that. And you can get down in here and see kind of the back right here, which is pretty good. I have all these wires loomed up like I was saying, but this, yeah, I'm not gonna do. It's first of all, it's too short, and second of all, it's real small. Brand new disc in the back box and all new displays. I can actually operate this with one thumb now. So all I gotta do is just this to open it. Push it and it opens right up. It wasn't doing that good before. So I'm happy with that. I worked on that for a while. Steve Young rebuilt that motor. It's pretty quiet too. I was really happy to see that thing. I was thinking, okay, they're gonna say no, can't do anything with that, but they did. And I didn't do anything to that chase lamp board, but it seems to work. Everything does what it's supposed to. It cleaned it really good. If it ain't broke, I'm not fixing it. My little homemade lamp panel, or board panel, that looks really good. That looks really good. Happy with that. All new boards, so just not a whole lot remains of what it once was, but the spirit of it is there. So it's basically a brand new game, less some minor things, wiring, and you know, that's it. So the next thing for this is going to be a gameplay video, and then it's out of here. And I think I'm going to actually deliver it myself. It's for a local person. They were going to come get it, but I'm like, I think I'm going to take that over there and set it up myself. Just would feel better about it, because sometimes people are rough as hell with these things, and it makes me cringe when I watch it. So that's it. We'll get into the gameplay next.